Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite Swiss salad. Now the Swiss aren't particularly big on greens and certainly not on salad, but in winter this beautiful green, which they call sslisalat, I think we often call it lamb's lettuce or corn lettuce or mâché, it's in season in December. It's a winter green and they make a fabulous salad with it, which is on every menu throughout the season. Dressed simply with a little vinaigrette. I like to put some mustard in mine. A lot of Swiss would probably use vegetable oil. I like it with olive oil. A little bit of chopped up egg, some fried croutons, and it makes the most wonderful salad as a starter or as a side dish. First thing we need to do, now your sslisalat might arrive in a head like this, or it might arrive individual leaves in a punnet. Either way, you want to give it a good wash. So I'm going to pop this in the sink and wash it, then I'll be back. So once our salad's well washed, we're going to pick over it, get rid of any bits like that are past their prime. It grows in little clumps like that. So you just need to tear off the roots, which I've already done, and just separate the leaves. Get rid of those stems. You could snack on them. If it's a tiny little clump, you might want to leave it like that. So let's just get all of those ready. Okay, so it's worth picking over those leaves carefully because this is a beautiful salad and we want to make sure only the beautiful leaves get into it. We can get rid of that. And now what's left? Our egg with favourite egg slicer. You can get all of this prepared ahead of time, but don't dress it ahead of time because those leaves do wilt quite quickly. But you can have everything ready to go. So I've dissolved my salt in my vinegar, added the oil and mustard to that, ready for a shake. Trim the crusts off here. This is a good use for stale bread, but it doesn't matter if it's not stale. You're only making a few croutons. Make them quite small. So I don't know, centimetre, less than a centimetre in dice. And again, the Swiss would probably use vegetable oil, almost certainly. There aren't a lot of olive trees in Switzerland. I like to cook my croutons in olive oil. In a small saucepan, shallow fried, up to you, whatever works. All right, let's get these guys to the stove and fry them. You don't need to see me do that, and then we'll come back and assemble. All right, so there's our croutons, nice and golden, ready to come out and drain on paper towel. So we're ready to serve. Give our dressing a good shake. You may not need it all, but the Swiss do like their salads heavily dressed. Up to you how heavily you want yours. The beauty of doing it in the screw top jar, of course, is we can just pop this back in the fridge to use the rest of it later. So start with about half. Give that a good toss. Hands best. Yeah, look, that's going to be enough for me, I think. But as I said, the Swiss would almost certainly dress it more heavily than that. So up to you. Into the salad bowl. And let's just get rid of that. Our egg on top. Yum. Honestly, I so look forward to this whenever we are in Switzerland in winter. There we go. And our croutons over the top there. Yum, yum, yum. Simplest salad in the world, but so delicious. Swiss sslisalat. Enjoy. A goetta.